You will need your template, and you're going to trace this twice onto a piece of cardboard and cut it out like so. Next, you will need to add some reinforcements. All of the reinforcements need to be the same height, otherwise it won't be stable, and you need to secure it to one side. Next, you'll need to add some masking tape in a butterfly manner like so that we can attach the second piece of cardboard. I tend to stand mine up like this and push it onto the middle there so that it will stand correctly. Next, you will need to find a nice long piece of cardboard, and you need to measure it so that it is equally around 8 to 9 centimeters in width the whole way. This needs to be accurate. These are your walls. You will be adding walls the whole way around your sculpture to seal it in. You need to use masking tape, like so, to tack it down all the way around. Don't overdo it with the masking tape, just put enough down like I have done. Make sure that your cardboard does not overhang the sides and you are pressing it down nice and firmly. You may need to bend the cardboard so that it curves around certain edges. Finally, you may notice that some of your tape starts to flip up. You can just get some PVA glue and just put a little drop underneath and then smoothly press it down again. This will stop it from flicking back up again. Do this to any other pieces you see around your sculpture.